Every step taken by us unfolds us to our future, going through the meadows of childhood to the relentless youth, maturing to face the hardships of time and the constant learning process. Together is our mantra to keep it going, nurturing the minds of energetic and creative youth of our country with better education at every step can ignite them into true professionals and all-round achievers in global economic scenario. Even after stepping into globalization and modernization, rural India still carries that fresh feel of life. Whether it is the clean and green environment or the simple yet strong base of our rural talent that can change the face of future. Region of Shekhawati itself has produced and nurtured so many business personalities, technocrats, officers and achievers who have performed to their best and have accomplished. Sobasaria Engineering College, established in the year 1999, was our very first step to lay the foundation of an institute of excellence where the first-rate technical professionals can be produced. This indeed was a philanthropic educational venture of Sobasaria Jan Kalyan Trust, in with the cherished vision of Shri Baijnath Ji Sobasaria. Stepping along with their father, his three sons, Shri P.R. Agarwal, Shri G.P. Agarwal and Shri K.B. Agarwal form the other trustees who are also associated with Rupa and Company Limited, Kolkata, the largest hosiery product manufacturer in India. This diversified learning center, founded on academic excellence, sprawls over 38.92 acres of expanse. The harmonious environs provide the perfect setting for an unforgettable teaching and learning experience. The fully developed campus is supplemented with facilities like power backup, Wi-Fi, internet facilities, on-campus faculty accommodation, ATM facility and every facility which completes the perfect ambience for learning and dwelling. Sobasaria Group of Institution is recognized by AICTE, affiliated with RTU, have been accredited by NBA and IAO, and has hallmark of Microsoft Advented Platinum Campus, having B School ranking, and last but not the least for its greater and significant contribution to the development of Shekhawati in technical education. The institute has been awarded UNESCO Chetna Award. At Sobasaria Group of Institutions, we take a step ahead. Steps to make the student realize their true potential and help them deliver their best through rigorous academic processes.
Sobasaria Group of Institution has spacious, well-ventilated lecture halls, tutorials equipped with comforting furniture and are ready to use audio-visual aids like camera, microphone, speaker to provide our students with a better learning atmosphere.
Safe and secure, ragging-free, disciplined campus, clean cafeteria with delicious food, very comfortable rooms and lots of activities. Concept of silence hours from 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. Our institution has in-house medical facility and regular doctor visit for our health concern. I got everything which I ever demanded from my education center. Indeed, one of the best educational institutes in India.
Steps to provide not just good academic ambience but encouraging multidisciplinary aptitude and combining areas of study with strong knowledge and research base.
Sobasaria Group of Institution has a 4-storied, fully air-conditioned central library established with the purpose of providing maximum guidance, material and knowledge to the students. The library is well equipped with treasure of information and is open for students from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. It houses 40,000 books, 7,500 titles, 200 national and international journals, Delnet 1800 online journals, e-books, reprography, audio-video services and book bank facility to assist students in studies and research.
It's my first year at Sobasaria. I had almost lost the hope for finding an institute which will suffice my learning, living and growing experience in Rajasthan. But then I applied at Sobasaria and trust me, it's the best decision I choose to make. Excellent academic courses, enough extracurricular activities and comfortable hostel rooms, career counseling cell and also the foundation course for newly admitted students have helped me a lot, enjoying each bit of my graduation experience.
Steps to ensure productiveness of students and developing a research aptitude.
Sobhasriya Group of Institutions has a state-of-art 4-story fully air-conditioned central computer lab equipped with latest branded computers and most modern software. Having the capacity of 100 users, this central computer center has high-speed multi-services enabled, D-Link certified network infrastructure in partnership with Microsoft.
I would say my institute has shaped me as an individual. I feel I had come here as a novice and today I'm a young confident girl with logical and practical knowledge not only of my field but also others like yoga, meditations, art living sessions that helps in de-stressing and also to learn about serenity of life. I owe a lot to the encouragement I got from faculty at every step. Thank you and will miss the time I spent here.
At Sobhasriya Group of Institutions, we have spacious, full-fledged, equipped laboratories and workshops to foster learning in a practical way. These laboratories are functioning under various departments as an effective source of practical training for the students on one hand and as an exposure to industrial atmosphere on the other.
One of the main reasons I had taken admission in Sobhasriya was because of my best friend Nisha. She had already taken admission here and insists that even I should take admission here. Activities like Foundation Day celebration, Management Fest make me to learn a lot about team spirit and implementation of creative ideas. I thank Nisha not only for convincing me to join Sobhasriya but letting me be a part of such a world-class learning environment.
Steps to make Sobhasriya Group of Institution one of the most sought-after educational centers for every aspiring student. On-campus residential facility for students has been very thoughtfully designed and planned. Each hostel room allows privacy and personal space to a student while giving a chance to dwell together and foster comradeship. The cafeteria and mess serves healthy food prepared in utmost hygiene conditions with a variety to please the taste buds of our students. Outdoor sports, gymnasium and indoor games reverberate with energy and inspire students to challenge themselves. Steps to associate top entrepreneurs in the industry and sculpting a professional. Our students are carefully trained in such a way that they can easily step into any industry with confidence. Along with their regular projects, they have special advantage of foundation course when they enter the institute. In-house faculty helps them to prepare for the professional world with regular sessions of GD and mock interviews. Plus, they gain an extra edge with sessions of visiting faculty members and our renowned guests that helps enhancing their aptitude skills, soft skills and FDP silence. Our career counseling and guidance cell is always there to identify the potential in an individual and guide them through the path of success according to their key skills. As a result of this constant process of learning and striving for success has led the best of results and placement records of our institution. Our students are placed to some leading MNCs and corporate houses to begin their career with pride and security in hands. Research and Development Cell emphasizes the importance of practical learning by interweaving academia with research and innovation through different technical projects, Ministry of Finance, ISTE and other renowned research bodies. Institute has its own credit of publishing international journal IJBER every year. To enhance the employability skills of students, they are trained in Japanese and French language certificate courses in the campus. As a pilot project, we have also sent a few students to Japan. Sobhasriya Jan Kalyan Trust has a unique concept of vocational training for the weaker sections of the society. Through employability training programs, the Trust provides every essential help to the deprived people in the region through various activities under National Service Scheme NSS, such as distributing winter clothing, food, canopies, drinking water in the vicinity, and organizing blood donation and cleanliness camps in the campus. Community Radio. The Trust is launching SGI Community Radio, which will broadcast our educational programs to take our helping hands out of the boundaries of the SGI campus and spreading worthy information in a smooth manner to every nook and corner of Shekhawati region, especially to those who are unable to access the written treasure of knowledge.
We always believe in developing global leadership in academia and research to meet the demands of today's global business scenario. Sobha Saria has always striven for the all-round development of the students. Since its establishment, the faculty members and staff members are striving hard to imbibe in the students the required values and qualities to produce technocrats and professionals of tomorrow.
The vision for developing this institute in this region was to develop the innovative and educational requirement of the students and the people of this region.
We at the Sobha Saria Group of Institutions are providing quality education through standardized courses using state-of-the-art teaching methodology. We believe in line of strong conceptual foundations, ensuring adequate industrial R&D exposure. We strive for continual improvement through effective quality management.
Sobha Saria Group of Institution today is a name known for producing most outstanding students and placing them with reputed companies across the nation. We not only believe in better education standards, but we also incorporate practices which help us impart the same. We would like to open our arms and invite in full swing all the young aspirers who have it in them to achieve what they believe in, the vigor to stand against the challenges and the confidence to carve their future. At every step, we stand by you.